Hey guys, so I just received this delivery from one of the brands, so I'm just going to be unboxing this one right now. It's from a brand called Mariz, and I'm just wondering that there have been a few stupid reviews that I actually saw on the internet, which says that they don't really do the deliveries, but I think maybe that's just individual experience. So I thought I'll just show you what I got in here. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to open this one. It says artisan handcrafted jewelry. And this is what's in here. It says thank you. There are some details about this brand. What it looks like, and here's what's come with it. So there's this whole set of rings. There are silver ones. There is another whole set of these gold ones. And then there are these really beautiful bracelets. And there is this really nice looking neck piece. So you will see more of this in the photographs, so you need to wait and watch for that.